Good guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to make money from exchanges like this one's Biget. I'm using Biget for this video. This will be a series of various exchanges that I will be using. So you should subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this video to friends and family that might be interested in this type of content. So let's go straight to the point. You're not here to waste time. So basically, if you're a crypto enthusiast, an airdrop enthusiast, and you're looking for ways to earn money aside from trading, aside from doing aside from spending your own personal income, I'll be showing you a quick guide, and this is very easy. You do it daily to earn money. I'll be showing you for different exchanges. Today is for Biget exchange. So if you don't have Biget, you can go ahead on the Play Store to download Biget. Is free to download, just your data. You understand? So download your Biget app, you register, and you know the rest, how to get this exchange. If you have zero knowledge about downloading this exchange and setting it up, I'll make a video. Just drop in the comment section you need a video about that. I'll make a video for you separately, but not in this video. So let's get started. First things first, go to this button, this square button on the top right. Once you click on it, you head down, you see quick access. On that quick access, that's the first line. This first line, you will see rewards, referral, and copy and edit. So you head into rewards area. So in the rewards area, once you open your reward area, you will see this daily claiming. You have to claim daily. You have to claim these points daily. But wait up a minute, I'll show you what these points are for. So this is the area for reward. There are various ways of making money in this place. So I'll be breaking it down to you um in the simplest way possible. You understand? So first things first is the daily check-in. Once you click on the daily check-in, you will see how many days you've checked in, and depending on the day you check in, like today I started checking, this is Monday, check in consecutively for 5 days to get 26 points. So every 5 days it restarts. So that's basically how it works. So I've claimed for today, I'll claim for tomorrow 5 points, 3 points, then total on the fifth day I'll get 26 points. So these points, let me show you what is useful. So here on the points area, this place now, you see the 32 points. I have 32 points here. So once you click these 32 points, they have the option for coupons. I have redeem points, but my points are still low. So based on the points I have, I can redeem it to dollar, that's USD. So the history of my claims. So basically, if you click the redeem points, just to show you that this actually works, and you should keep to it, you understand, get serious with it and see how it goes. So when you click redeem coupons, that's the points I've earned. If I click that redeem points, they will take you to this place, redeem coupons. So now for each point you earn, I have 32 points, right? So my points are too low to claim. So if I have up to 100 points, I can claim 1 USDT. If I have up to um 300 points, I can claim 3 USDT. If I have up to 1000 points, I can claim 20 USDT. And this I can claim up to 5000 USDT, 500 USDT from just those points. I don't know if you understand. From those points, I can claim, that is, I can redeem these points. You understand? Now, all these points, you think it's easy. Sorry, it is hard to get, like um 3, 5, 3, 26 in 5 days. It has to get, but I'll show you another way to get points very fast. You know, yeah, the UCL right now, that's the football, if you understand football. So now, to get more points apart from the daily claims, you can predict to win. So if you vote for instance, Barcelona and uh, RCD Mallorca has match today. This 20, oh, okay, they have match on Wednesday. 23rd. This is 21st. So they have match on Wednesday or Thursday. Then you can predict who will win this match. So if you click on vote with your points, you can you can you can predict who will win this match, and whoever wins this match, if your prediction was correct, you will see a reward that will be given to you. Let me show you the reward. Let's check out the reward. That's why it's a bit sluggish. So if I wanted to vote for, let me click vote. I wanted to go vote for Barcelona. I will just click Barcelona, then I click confirm. Then I don't have enough voting tickets, so I can claim. You can go here and claim voting points. Like they give you voting points to vote. You understand? So you have to claim it to use and vote. So let's claim. Do you want to use 10 points to claim a legal voting ticket? Once your application is submitted, it cannot be withdrawn. Note: this incentive can only be claimed up to 10 times within one day. You can decide to use 10 points from your daily points from these points here. No, from this point here. If I use 10, I will have 22 left. So I don't want to claim it right now. I want to withdraw. I'm saving it off for withdrawal. But if I had extra, I could claim because I'm not a football fan. Not a fan necessarily. I don't know about football, so I wouldn't want to predict or risk the prediction. But if you know about football and you're willing to risk voting, even if you don't know, you can go ahead and vote with your points. You understand? This is I don't know if you understand. This is the easiest way I can break it down. So with your points, you vote for these teams. You buy the ticket to vote for these teams with your points. 10 points, you get a voting ticket. In this voting ticket, if you vote, you will get, I think it's double, yeah? Yeah, it should be double. It should be double of whatever you used, I think. So that's that. Daily, you will see different matches. Any day they have a match, you will see them lined up. So so they have various matches ended. So people that won these various matches. Okay, let's check next round. This one's see you have a lot of matches to vote for. The more voting, the more wins, the more points. Then you can convert and redeem them to USDT, and that's basically how this works. Now, there's other ways to earn points apart from gambling. I won't say gambling is bad, but I'm not good at it, so I'm not using that one. So they have other ways to earn points apart from gambling. So they have the daily deposits. If I deposit money to my biggest account, like last time I deposited money, I had 10 points given to me. So if the more anytime you deposit money daily, complete a valid deposit of any amount. If you deposit money if you send money to your biggest account, you get 10 points. You can come and claim it here. You understand? Then they have daily net assets. The asset in your account reaches at least 500 USDT and no withdrawals are performed on that day. So basically, you understand if you send $500 in your USDT and you don't claim it, you don't withdraw it that same day. Like the 500 stays in your account for one full day, you get 15 points. Remember the deposit, you are getting 10 points already for the deposit. You are getting 15 points for not withdrawing. Though these are two different amounts, but I'm just giving you an instance. If you put $500, you will be getting 10 points for depositing, then 15 points for not withdrawing. So that's 25 points with 500 USDT deposit. You understand? And this is free, just like not like they're using your money for anything. This is just a bonus that you can trade in for USDT on a later date. So reach 20 USDT in your spot trading volume. If you reach $20 in your spot trading volume, I don't usually trade with biggets, so I haven't claimed this yet. So if you trade regularly with sports, you can get to 10 points. You understand? You could just buy and sell, and something worth over $20, and you get 10 points. That's basically it. If you do copy trading, there are copy trading options in Bigget. So if you do copy trading, you get 10 points as well. Daily spot margin trade, you get 10 points. Daily bot trade, yeah, then invite referral, every invite, every referral you get 10 points. So these are 2, 4, 6, 8, I mean over 8 ways to get points plus the football one, and then daily daily check-ins. Then so you have every avenue to rack in the numbers on deposit on the points, increase your points, so you can convert it to USDT. You understand? Basically, you can redeem up to $20 up to $100. So yeah,